Finding a good water filter is important. The SAFWAT 847201 replacement for Fisher Paykel 847201 refrigerator water filter 2-pack aims to be that filter. It is a direct swap for the original. This means installation is easy. It is a SAFWAT Fisher Paykel fridge filter 2. The filters arrive in a convenient 2-pack. This provides good value. You get a spare, therefore you are prepared. This lessens the need for frequent reordering. You can enjoy cleaner water longer. Each filter has a substantial lifespan. Furthermore, the filter promises clean, refreshing water. It tackles common impurities. Consider it a guardian. It protects your water from unwelcome guests. The performance of this SAFWAT Fisher Paykel fridge filter 2 is impressive. It significantly improves water taste. You will notice a difference. Your ice will also taste better. The flow rate remains strong. This is a crucial point. It does not slow down your water dispenser. The water pressure stays consistent. This is a common concern. But this filter delivers. Also, it fits perfectly. No leaks. No fuss. The connection is secure. Truly, it is a seamless experience. The water clarity is excellent. It's like a clear mountain spring. All in all, it performs its job well. In conclusion, this SAFWAT Fisher Paykel fridge filter 2 is a solid choice. It offers great convenience. You get 2 filters. Installation is a breeze. The water quality is much improved. It truly transforms tap water. The value is outstanding. Therefore, it is a smart purchase. Moreover, it is highly recommended. It's like giving your fridge a new lease on life. You can trust this replacement. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Pros: perfect fit for my fridge, easy to set up, easy to use, is versatile. App leads you setting up the device, timers for lamps and water features, remote switches, set sunrise or sunset times. Trigger other devices, fit well, easy to install, provide a great water quality, filter water quality, leaves it clean features. SAFWAT 847201 replacement filter, Fisher Paykel compatible 847201 model, refrigerator. Water filter, 2 filters included 2-pack, easy to install, clean water, fresh taste looking. For clean and fresh tasting water from your fridge? The SAFWAT 847201 is a 2-pack of replacement water filters that works just like the original Fisher Paykel 847201 model. They're easy to install, so you can quickly enjoy better tasting water and ice. This water filter is a perfect fit for your fridge and is very easy to set up and use. It provides great water quality, leaving your water clean. The filter is also versatile, allowing you to use an app to help with setup. Set timers for lamps and water features. Use remote switches. Set sunrise or sunset times. And even trigger other devices. It's easy to install and fits well.